Did you know some drones today can think for themselves, dodge obstacles in real time, fly in extreme weather, and even protect your home automatically? These aren't sci-fi ideas. These are real futuristic drones available right now. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. If you love advanced drone technology, subscribe now, because today we're exploring the most futuristic drones ever made. Have you ever dreamed of capturing cinematic shots from the sky without needing a Hollywood crew? That's exactly what the Mavic 3 delivers. This drone isn't just about flying, it's about storytelling from above. With its dual camera system, including a Hasselblad camera, it captures breathtaking detail and color accuracy that makes every shot look professional. Picture yourself on a road trip, standing by a mountain range and sending the Mavic 3 soaring into the sky. Suddenly, you're not just recording a memory, you're creating a masterpiece. Compact enough to fit in your backpack, yet powerful enough to rival professional gear, it makes the sky your canvas. And with advanced obstacle sensing, you can focus on creativity instead of worrying about crashes. Now, let's shift gears. Have you ever wanted a drone that feels more like a racing car than a flying camera? Meet the Uvify Draco. This isn't your average drone. It's built for speed, agility, and adrenaline. Imagine the thrill of racing through obstacle courses at breakneck speeds, with the Draco responding instantly to every move. It's like strapping on wings and diving into a video game, except it's real. The Draco is designed for drone racing enthusiasts, but even if you're new, the excitement is contagious. It's not just about flying, it's about competing, pushing limits, and feeling the rush of technology meeting sport. Think of it as Formula One, but in the sky. And because it's modular, you can upgrade parts and tweak performance to make it truly yours. Speaking of futuristic, have you ever wondered what it would be like to have a robot companion that's more than just a gadget? The Beagle Nova is exactly that. It's a robot designed to interact, assist, and even entertain. Imagine walking into your living room and having Nova greet you, play music, or help manage your smart devices. It's like having a friendly assistant who never gets tired. The Nova isn't just functional, it's designed to feel approachable, with movements and responses that make it seem alive. For families, it can be a playful companion. For tech lovers, it's a glimpse into the future of robotics. It's not just a machine, it's a personality in your home. Now let's talk about adventure. Have you ever wanted a drone that doesn't shy away from water? The Swell Pro Spry is built exactly for that. Unlike most drones that panic at the sight of a splash, the Spry thrives on it. Imagine being at the beach, surfing, or fishing, and sending your drone out over the waves without worrying about it getting wet. The Spry is waterproof, meaning it can land on water, take off from water, and even handle rain. It's the perfect companion for outdoor enthusiasts who want to capture their adventures without limits. Whether it's a sunny day at the lake or a stormy coastline, the Spry is ready to fly and swim. And because it's designed for sports, it can track you while you're on a jet ski or paddleboard, giving you epic footage that would be impossible otherwise. But what about safety at home? Have you ever wished your house could watch over itself? That's where Sunflower Labs' home awareness system comes in. It's not just the security camera. It's a smart system that combines sensors, lights, and even a drone to keep your property safe. Imagine your garden lights detecting unusual movement and a drone automatically flying out to check what's happening. It's like giving your home its own guardian angel. The system doesn't just record, it actively responds, making you feel secure whether you're inside or halfway across the world. It's peace of mind powered by innovation. And because it's designed to blend into your environment, it feels like part of your home rather than an intrusive gadget. Now, let's go big. Have you ever seen a drone that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie? The AceCore Zoe Zetona is exactly that. This drone is designed for professional use, with a sleek design and advanced capabilities that make it stand out. Imagine surveying landscapes, inspecting infrastructure, or capturing aerial footage with precision and stability. The Zetona isn't just about flying, it's about delivering data, visuals, and reliability in industries where accuracy matters.
It's the kind of drone that makes you feel like you're operating futuristic machinery, because in many ways you are. And because it's built for professionals, it can carry heavy payloads and specialized cameras, making it versatile for everything from filmmaking to construction. On the other hand, have you ever wanted a drone that practically flies itself? The Skydio 2 is famous for its autonomous capabilities. Imagine running through a forest trail, and instead of worrying about piloting, you let the Skydio 2 follow you, dodging trees and obstacles with ease. It's like having a personal cameraman who never misses a shot, no matter how fast you move. The Skydio 2 uses advanced AI to navigate, making it perfect for action sports, outdoor adventures, or just capturing moments without stress. It's freedom in the sky, letting you focus on living while it focuses on filming. And because it's so smart, it can create footage that feels polished and professional, even if you're just out for a casual bike ride. And finally, let's talk about something truly unique. Have you ever seen a drone with only 2 rotors? The V-Copter Falcon from 00 Robotics breaks the mold with its V-shaped design. Instead of 4 propellers, it uses 2, giving it a futuristic look and impressive efficiency. Imagine sending it out on a long flight, capturing smooth footage while conserving energy. The Falcon isn't just about looks, it's about innovation in design. It's quieter, more efficient, and visually striking. It feels like a glimpse into the next generation of drones, where design and function merge seamlessly. And because it's built for endurance, it can stay in the air longer than many traditional drones, making it perfect for extended shoots or exploration. So, which gadget amazed you the most? Was it the waterproof drone that loves the ocean, the racing drone that feels like Formula One in the sky, or the futuristic home security system that gives your house its own guardian? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to Miraz Tech for more incredible discoveries. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.